Today, me and my daughter Audrina are going to do a Dino Dig. We are going to create a fossil, and then once it has time to get hard and dry, we will be paleontologists and we will try and dig out the fossils. So it's going to be really fun. The ingredients for this are things that you should have at your house. If you don't have it at your house, you can probably adjust it a little bit to what you have. So I've got my big bowl here, and I'm going to start off with flour, just regular flour. And so I'm going to put 2 cups of the flour. Do you want to help me? All right, here's cup 1, if you'll drop it in there. And here's cup 2. All right, so we've got our flour in it. Now we are going to put only 3/4 a cup of water in with the flour. 3/4 a cup. Now, Audrina, will you help me? We'll get our spoons and we will stir it. Stir it. Let's show them what it's looking like. I'm just getting the water and the flour mixed together.
See how that works?
Okay. If you don't want to use a spoon, you can always use your hands.
I might want to use my hands.
Okay, go ahead and use your hands. Kind of get it mixed together.
Do we need these pipes?
We will need them in a minute, yeah. Okay, so we're getting it. It's looking a little bit more doughy. Still a little dry, so we'll see if it needs a little bit more water, possibly, I'm thinking. But
Yeah,
maybe not. Maybe not. So this is what we're at right now. Almost the texture, possibly of Play-Doh. So I guess it actually is turning out correct. Once you've got that all mixed together, we're going to put our next ingredient in, which is going to be, I went out and we have a sandbox and I got 2 cups of sand. Now, I am pretty sure that if you don't have any sand, that you maybe could use some salt and it would do somewhat of the same thing, because I've made Play-Doh with salt before. But this sand is what I'm going to use. So if you have sand, please, you need 2 cups. So here is our dough. And now that we're at this point, I'm going to put it on a plate so they can see exactly what we're doing. I'm going to just show them what we're doing for a minute. So here is the dough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this may get messy, and take the sand. And, we're going to make it a big ball together. Actually, we're going to do this first. We're going to try this in the bowl first, but we'll try and make sure that you're being able to see some. Okay, pour our sand in there, 1 cup of sand. And then what we're going to do is take some Elmer's glue, and we're going to just squirt some in here. Squirt some Elmer's glue in.
No, I might mix that up.
Okay, go ahead. She's going to mix that up some for us.
It might be a little bit sandy first.
Yeah, it's getting sandy, but it's looking really good. That sand in mix in here. Let's dig it down in here and let's mix it in with some of that sand.
We have some of this. I might try and mix some of that sand.
Okay.
That sand.
Yeah, try and get it all in there together.
Give me that part of the sand.
Okay.
Now I might try and get this sand And that. Dig with
Okay, so while we were on break from filming, we went ahead and we continued to mix our sand in and add some glue and mix the sand in. And we both have our doughy, sandy mixture right here. Show them yours, Audrina. We have just been pouring glue and rolling around in the sand, and it looks pretty cool, feels pretty good. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna put things down in it. So I've got these little dinosaurs. Which one do you want to put, Audrina?
This one.
Oh, she's already got hers. So she is kind of burying her dinosaur down in there to where you can no longer see it. So I'm going to take this little guy.
I already knew what we were going to do in this part. We're going to try and find the dig done.
Mm-hmm. All right, so So you all know what I put in here, but I can't see any of it now. It's just all in this ball of sandy dough. Is yours ready? Is yours done?
Yeah.
Once you get to this point, it's time to wait. Now, you can leave this outside for 2 days. Sunshine will help it. It needs to dry out. It needs to get completely dry. It's going to take time. So if you can set out in the sun for 2 days, do not get rushed and want to go in it right now, because that will defeat the purpose. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to turn off the video and we're going to have to come back to these. I'm going to try putting them in the oven and letting them bake for a little bit, and maybe that will dry them out just like it would sitting in the sun for 2 days. And we will see when they are ready for us to excavate these dinosaur fossils or whatever you stick in here. What? That she wants to know if that's the truth. And yeah, that's the truth. That's what we're going to do. We're going to excavate these out of here, but we're going to wait till it's dry, because real fossil finders, real paleontologists, they have to basically they have to go through very hard materials, rocks and dirt, slowly and carefully to try and find fossils. Okay. And that's what we're going to do. So let it dry. Figure out a place to put it. Sunshine. I'll let you know how my baking goes here in a minute. All right, so we're back, and what we have done is we put these into the oven for an hour and a half at 200 degrees. So that was just my hopes of not needing to wait for 2 days. And I'm not sure how that's going to go, so we're going to see. She's trying to dig at hers, and it's becoming difficult, very hard. So I'm going to start off with this, and let's see where I get with it.
I might want to try off with that. My dinosaur looks like.
Got it out?
I dipped it out.
Whoa. And she got her dinosaur out. So she is a paleontologist. She studies dinosaur fossils. And she did a great job on this Dino Dig. Let's see what else we can get. Is there anything else? Is yours has nothing else in it? You want to try and get my stick?
To get the dinosaur back too.
I think we got everything.
Well, I don't want to do that dinosaur.
All right, so she says it's kid approved. Did you have fun, Audrina?
Yeah.
I hope you get to do this as well, and I hope that we showed you how to do it. So enjoy excavating, finding your fossils, and being a paleontologist today.
No.
Can you tell them bye?
Bye.